For my Rube Goldberg machine, I hung a Barbie. Barbie is a doll that every person has different opinions about. To me, Barbie is a symbol of stereotypes and discrimination. My first attempt for my Rube Goldberg machine, I used 2 levers and 1 pulley. And the pulley, I used an old wheel that I found lying around and tried to tie 3 strings together to somehow make it thick enough that it would work. And then I weighted one side with a wheel, but as you can see, it didn't really work because up at the top, the strings got caught in the wheel. Second attempt, I used marbles that went through a screw made of rubber piping, and then an inclined plane. And at the end of the inclined plane was a basket to catch the marbles, and the basket was attached to a pulley. On one end was the Barbie, and the idea was that the marbles could just already fill the basket to the ground and hang the Barbie, but it didn't work. So on my third attempt, I used the same plastic tubing and the same inclined plane, but instead I just leaned the Barbie at the end of the tube, and instead of using a basket full of marbles, and then I hung her. So the marble, when it comes out of the tube, it punches her in the back and pushes her off. And finally, I calculated the ideal mechanical advantage so that the wheel and axles were 1.5, and the inclined plane was 20.5, and the pulley was 1, and the screw was 1.26, which made the complex machine 58.